We will start. Our point is the trigonometric ratio. Correct. In that we are started. Which point? Yes, which point?
Multiple angle.
Multiple angles.
Multiple angle. Yes, correct. Multiple angles and submultiple angles. In that we are studied examples, formulas, and proof of the formula. Then today we are starting the another one more examples on that. So which one? Sine A. How many examples we are completed?
One is घेतलंय ma'am.
One example. Okay, then second one. See, second example is if sine A is equals to 1/2. Sine A is equals to 1/2. So find sine 3A. Sine 3A. Tell me. Sine 3A formula is sine 3A is equals to
3 sin A
3 sin A
minus
sin
A
4 sin
minus 4
cube.
sine cube
QV.
Now here is given it sine A is equals to 1/2. Sine A is equals to 1/2. So put up the sine A is equals to 1/2 value. So sine 3A is equals to 3 as it is. Sine A means multiply by 1/2 minus as it is 4 as it is. Then sine cube A means what? 1/2 cube. 1/2 cube. Now solve this one. So 3/2. 3 multiplied by 1/2 means 3/2 minus 1's cube 1 and 4's cube 8. So 4 multiplied by 1's cube 1, 4's cube is the 8. So 3/2 minus 4/8. Minus 4/8. Now here is the fraction. So fraction solve. Denominator firstly equal denominator. Here is the 4, here is the 8. So multiply by, here is the 2 and here is the 8. So multiply by 4. And here is the multiply by 1. Numerator multiply means denominator also multiply. So our step is
12.
3 multiply by
12.
multiply by 4 upon 2 multiply by 4 minus 4 multiply by 1 upon 8 multiply by 1. Now this clear. Now 3 multiply by 4 is the 12. 2 multiply by 4 is the 8 minus 4 multiply by 1 is the 4. 8 multiply by 1 is the 8. Now denominator same. So numerator subtract. 12 minus 4 upon denominator take it only one time. So for 12 minus 4 is the 12 minus 4
8 upon 8.
8 upon
8.
8.
8.
So
1.
8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. So our value of sine 3A is equals to what?
1.
Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
समजलं ना नक्की?
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
Okay. So next example. Third one. If sin A is equals to 3 by 5, find value of sin 3A. Sin 3A. So sin 3A is equals to, tell me formula. 3 sin A minus
minus
4
4 sin
sin A.
cube.
Correct. Now they are given sin A is equals to 3 by 5. Now put up the value of sin A. So sin 3A as it is equals to, as it is 3 as it is. Sin A is 3 by 5. So we are putting the value of sin A. Then minus 4 sin cube A means 3 by 5 cube. Is this correct? Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes,
now 9 by 5 minus 4. 3's cube is the 27. 5's cube is the 125. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Then 9 by 5 minus 4 multiplied by 27 is the 108 upon 125. Now, here is the fraction subtraction. Fractions subtraction. So, firstly, equal the denominator. Equal the denominator. So, 1 by 5. So, which number multiplying? Then answer comes 1 by 25.
25.
1 by 25.
25.
Yes, 25. So numerator multiply, denominator multiply. So 25 multiplied by 9 is the
2 to 5.
2 to 5 minus 108.
100.
So 225 minus 108 is a
117.
117 upon 125. So this is the sin 3A.
3.
The value of sin 3A. Therefore, sin 3A is equals to 117 upon 125. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are moving on. Next example, fourth one. The fourth example is if cos alpha is equals to 0.4, find cos 3 alpha. Now we know the formula of cos 3a. We know na this formula. Cos 3a is equals to 4
4 cos cube
cos
A
cube a minus 3
3
cos
cos A.
a. Yes, here is the cos 3 alpha. So cos 3 alpha is equals to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Then cos alpha value is 0.4. So now put up the value of cos alpha. So 4 as it is, cos cube alpha means 0.4 cube minus 3 cos alpha is 0.4. Now 4 as it is, 0.4 cube is. Tell me 0.4 cube.
0.064.
0.16. 64.
64.
0.064.
0.064 minus, multiply this one.
1.2.
1.2. Yes. Now do this multiplication. 4 multiplied by 0.064.
0.256.
Okay. Very good.
मॅम झालं एक्झाम्पल.
Hmm. 0.256 minus 1.2. Now subtract this one.
0.94.
944.
0.944. Yes, and minus sign because smaller number is subtracting from bigger number.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
that's why minus. So our answer is sin 3 alpha is equals to what? Minus 0.944. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We are moving to next question.
हॅलो मॅम
Yes.
तुम्ही
Ma'am,
साइन लिहिलता आपल्याला
साइन
कॉस काढायचं
लिहितं तिथं कॉस येतं.
काय?
मॅम हेच एक्झाम्पल अगोदर दिलं तर तुम्ही त्याच्या कॉसच्या ऐवजी साइन होतं.
बर. मग काय झालं?
मॅम आता जे तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल दिलत ना फोर्थ
हम्म.
तिथं तुम्ही चुकून साइन लिहिलता आपल्याला कॉस काढायचा होता.
हा ठीक आहे. कॉस क्लिअर झालं आता?
येस मॅम.
येस मॅम.
Then seventh one. Example number?
5.
Fifth one. Okay. If A is equals to 30 degree, verify that sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A. We are verifying this one. Sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A. See now the solution of this equation is, this example is A is equals to 30 degree. They are given is A is equals to 30 degree. Now we have to prove, what we have to prove? Sin 3A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A. Correct. Now, sin 3A, this left hand side is the sin 2A. So that's why sin 2 and A is a 30 degree. A is a 30 degree. This is clear. Now 2 multiplied by 30 means sin 60 degree. So sin 60 degree value is
Root 3 upon 2.
Yes, very good. Root 3 upon 2. Correct. Now RHS, right hand side. Right hand side is the 2 sin A into cos A. Now is equals to 2 sin A is 30 degree, cos is 30 degree. We are putting the A value. A is 30 degree. See, here is the 30 degree. So now tell me 2 as it is sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. Yes, 1 upon 2 into cos 30 degrees.
Root 3 upon 2.
Yes, root 3 upon 2. Now do this multiplication. Tell me. Root 3 upon 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now right side and left side same. Right side and left side same. See, square root 3 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2. That means what? Sine 2a is equals to this one. Sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a into cos a. This answer same means this equation also same. This one and this one, right side and left side also same. So hence the proof. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next example. Sixth one. If sine A is equals to 0.4 and find cos 2A using what we have to use multiple angle formula. Now solution of 1 minus cos 2A is equals to, we know this formula, 2 sine square A. 2 sine square A. आपण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युला दिलेले होते ना, त्याच्यामध्ये हा फॉर्म्युला आहे. 1 minus cos 2A is equals to 2 sine square A. Now given what they are given, sine A is equals to 0.4. Now put up the value of sine A. Now cos 2A is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square A. We are converting this one. This minus 2 goes right side and cos 2A goes in the left side. So cos 2A is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square A. We are converting this formula in this way. ह्या फॉर्म्युला मधून आपण हा फॉर्म्युला कन्वर्ट केला, बरोबर की नाही. cos 2A हा इकडे जाणार आणि हा इकडे जाणार. हा मायनस आहे तो इकडे जाऊन प्लस होणार आणि हा प्लस आहे तो इकडे जाऊन मायनस होणार. म्हणजेच 1 minus 2 sine square A. आता व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करायच्या, कारण त्याने आपल्याला कशामुळे आपण हे कन्वर्ट केलो, का तर cos 2A काढायला सांगितलं होता. cos 2A, मग cos 2A मिळाली. तर आता व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करा. 1 minus 2 sine square A. Sine square A. Sine A is the 0.4 square. Clear? Now 1 as it is minus 2 0.4 square is the
0.64. 60.
0.60.
16. Then 1 minus, do this multiplication, 0.32. 16 2s are 32. Now subtract this one, 1 minus 0.32. So 0.68. So our value of cos 2A is 0.68.
8.
Is clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are moving on. Next example, seventh one. Seventh example. Prove that what we have to prove, 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9 is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. You have to prove it this example. Now see, solution is we know the formula of cos 3a is equals to cos 3a formula is 4 इथं cos आहे ना त्यामुळे cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube
Cos
a
cube A
minus
into
3 cos a.
cos A.
Now our left hand side is 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9. Now here is you have to take a common. You have to take common is 2. So here is the 4. Correct?
4.
4
Yes, ma'am.
cos
Cos
cube
cube.
pi by 9 minus
3.
3 cos pi by 9. Correct? Now see 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a means this one 4 cos cube pi by 9. A is a pi by 9 minus 3 cos a is the pi by 9. So 2 as it is. And here is the, tell me, cos what? Cos
Cube.
tell me 3 a is the pi by 9. हे बघा इथं फॉर्म्युला काय cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a आणि इथं काय 4 cos cube pi by 9 आणि इथं काय a आहे म्हणजेच काय आपण काय केलं इथं a च्या जागी pi by 9 पुट अप केलं a च्या जागी pi by 9 म्हणजेच cos 3 pi by 9 क्लिअर 2 as it is आणि याच्या ऐवजी काय केलं आपण हा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला इथं cos 3a a means pi by 9 pi by 9. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now 2 as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So cos pi by 3. Now 2. We know the cos pi by 3. So cos 90. Cos 90 is. हे बघा इथे सांगते cos pi by 3 means 180 divided by 3. 60. So cos 60 is cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degrees.
1 2.
1 by 2. Yes. So 1 1s are 1. So answer is the 1. So LHS and here is the RHS. Left hand side, right hand side. So we have to prove. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
स्टेप कळले ना नक्की लक्षात आले
रिपीट करता मॅम.
हे बघा काय आहे 8 आपल्याला प्रूफ काय करायचं आहे 8 cos क्यूब पाय बाय 9 minus 6 cos पाय बाय 9 is equals to 1. मग त्यासाठी आपण फॉर्म्युला यूज केला cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a 3 cos a. मग आता इथं काय आहे 3a आपल्याला इथं काय हवंय पाय बाय 9 हवंय बरोबर आहे मग आपण हा 8 cos क्यूब पाय बाय 9 minus 6 cos पाय बाय 9 हा ही साइड घेतली राईट लेफ्ट हँड साइड आपण घेतली मग आता बघा ह्यातून काय केलं 2 कॉमन काढला ह्याच्यातून काय केलं 2 कॉमन काढलं म्हणजेच काय राहिलं 4 cos क्यूब पाय बाय 9 minus 3 cos पाय बाय 9 बघा ह्या 2 ने आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर हा हेच आन्सर येणार आहे ना 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा 2 4s are 8 2 3s are 6 हेच आन्सर येणार आहे फक्त आपण 2 कॉमन काढला कशासाठी का तर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करण्यासाठी वी आर युजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युला मग आता हे म्हणजेच काय आहे cos 3 पाय बाय 9 cos 3 पाय बाय 9 a च्या जागी फक्त पाय बाय 9 आहे बघा 4 ला 4 कॉस क्यूबला कॉस क्यूब a च्या जागी पाय बाय 9 मायनस मायनस 3 3 कॉस कॉस a इज ए पाय बाय 9 a is a pi by 9. So cos 3 pi by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 2 as it is cos pi by 3. So pi by 3 is, pi by 3 means what? 180 divided by 3. 3 8s are 60. 3 8s are 6 and 0. So cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree means 1 half. Cos 60 degree means 1 half. 0 0 get cancelled. So our answer is the 1. So this means a 1. याच्यावरून आपण हा 1 कॅल्क्युलेट केलं. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next example 8-1. If A is equals to 30 degree, A is equals to 30 degree, verify the result sin 3A is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. आपल्याला हा रिझल्ट व्हेरीफाय करायचा आहे. A30 एक्झाम्पल झालेला आहे ऑलरेडी. A इज अ 30 डिग्री. मग दिलेलं घ्या A इज अ 30 डिग्री. त्यानंतर काय करायचं, लेफ्ट हँड साइड बघा काय, लेफ्ट हँड साइड इज साइन 3A. Sin 3A means sin 3 multiply by A is the 30 degree. So sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is the 1. Yes, correct. Now right hand side. Right hand side is, right hand side which one? 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Sin cube A. Now put up the values. 3 as it is, sin as it is. A is the 30 minus 4 sin 30 degrees cube. Sin cube means sin 30 degrees cube. Now 3 as it is, sin 30 degrees, sin 30 degrees, 1 by 2. Yes, minus 4. Here is also sin 30 degree means 1 by 2's cube. 1 by 2's cube. Now 3 by 2. Do this multiplication. 3 by 2 minus 4 multiply by 1's cube is 1 and 8 cube, 2's cube is the 8. 2's cube is the 8. Now 3 by 2 multiply by 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 3 by 2 multiply by, no, minus. Where is the minus?
Minus, ma'am.
Minus 1 by 2. So 3 minus 1 upon 2. 2 by 2. So here is the 1. Here is the 1. So left hand side 1, right hand side 1. So that's why this one is also same. तेच आपल्याला व्हेरीफाय करायचं होतं. जर राईट हँड सेम असतील, लेफ्ट हँड साइड पण सेम असतात. आन्सर्स बघा, ह्याचे 1 आलं, ह्याचं 1 आलं, म्हणजेच हे आणि हे इक्वल आहे. म्हणजेच साइन 3A is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. हे पण इक्वल असणार. परत एकदा एक्सप्लेन करते बघा. A is 30 डिग्री आणि व्हेरीफाय करायचं आपल्याला. sin 3A is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. मग A is the 30 degree. Left hand side, now see, left hand side is the sin 3A. Sin 3A means sin 3 multiply A is value, put up the value. A is the 30 degree. So sin 90 degree. We know the sin 90 degree value. Sin 90 degree is the 1. Now see right hand side. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. 3 as it is, sine as it is, A's value is the 30 degree minus 4 as it is. Sine cube A means sine 30 degrees cube. Sine cube A means sine 30 degrees cube. Now is equals to 3 as it is, sine 30 degrees, 1/2 minus as it is, then 4 as it is, multiply by sine 30 degrees, 1/2. We know this value sine 30 degrees 1/2, 1/2 cube. Now 3/2 minus 4 multiply by 1 upon 8. 2's cube is the 8. 2's cube is the 8. 1's cube is the 1. So now 3/2 minus 4/8. 4/8. So simplify this one. 4/8 is the 1/2. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 3/2 minus 1/2. 3/2 minus 1/2. Here is the fraction subtraction. So now denominator same. So upon 2 and numerator subtraction 3 minus 1. So 2 upon 2 is equals to 1. So right hand side answer is the 1. Left hand side answer is the 1. That's why sine 3A is equals to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So next example is ninth one. Show that cos 3A upon cos A plus sin 3A upon sin A is equals to 4 cos 2A. Solution is C. Use the formula is sin A plus B is equals to, tell me formula of this. Sin A into
Sine
cos B plus
plus
cos A
cos A
into
plus
sin
cos
B,
B. Sin
and sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. We are using these two formulas for this example. Okay, now see left hand side is the cos 3A upon cos A plus sin 3A upon sin A. Now here is the fraction. So multiplying by sin A, and here is the multiply by cos A. Okay, I will be solve here. See, cos 3A upon cos A plus sin 3A upon sin A. Here is the fractions addition. Now here is the multiply by denominator same. Firstly equal denominator. So here is the sin A multiply and here is also cos A multiply. Now what is the answer? Sin A into cos 3A plus cos A into sin 3A and upon cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. This clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Clear? No. So write down as it is sin A into cos 3A